Low libido isn't just about mindset or mood. There's often a real biological reason behind it. Your body is sending you signals. It's time we start listening to them. I'm Rosalind with Rejuvime Medical, and we talk to patients every day who are struggling with low desire and wondering, is it something wrong with me? You're not broken, and you're definitely not alone. Here's the truth. Your hormones play a major role in libido. Testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, even thyroid and cortisol can all impact desire. These hormones work together like a symphony. When one is out of tune, it affects the whole experience. The good news is we can actually measure these levels, identify what's off, and create a plan that brings back the balance. At Rejuvime, we take time to understand the why behind low libido, so you're not stuck guessing, Googling, or blaming yourself. We start with an advanced lab testing and a full symptom review, not just a checklist. Then we customize your plan with hormone replacement therapy, peptides, or natural support, depending on what your unique needs are. Then we check in regularly because your progress matters to us. If your sex drive has changed and you're ready for real answers, we're here. Book a consultation and let's figure it out together. We're not just focused on libido, we're focused on you. You deserve to feel connected, energized, and understood. Call us today to book your consultation and start feeling like yourself again.